All right, here locally, there is a new effort to curb one of the major causes of debt in Ohio. We're talking about medical debt, and it can happen quickly and to so many people. The state lawmakers say they have a plan to address it. WLWT News 5's Giacomo Luca live with how this would work and why some are opposed to it. Giacomo.
Yeah, Kelly, it's being called the Ohio Medical Debt Fairness Act. Lawmakers in support say it would limit predatory practices that drive Ohioans further into debt. Now, that bill currently being discussed in the Ohio House, it would do three things. The first, limiting medical debt interest rates to 3% a year. The bill would also prohibit hospitals, medical providers, and debt collectors from reporting medical debt to credit agencies, and it would ban wage garnishment for medical debt collections. Now, the Democratic Representative Michelle Grimm, who introduced that proposal, says that people get sick and really shouldn't have to face financial hardship because they need care.
We want to make sure that we give people a fighting chance. We give people a leg up instead of keeping them down. And, I think these key things will help millions of Ohioans.
Now, that proposal faces fierce opposition from debt collectors. In a letter to the House Health Committee, the head of the Ohio Receivables Management Association said, quote, by prohibiting wage garnishment and credit reporting, the legislature will be sending a message that repaying medical debt is unnecessary. Now, the city of Cincinnati has also taken steps to address this issue recently. Earlier this month, the city announced that they had relieved $219 million in medical debt for more than 110,000 Cincinnatians. We're live this morning. Giacomo Luca, WLWT News 5.